So Tottenham are assuming it's a free kick. Gomez puts it down on the floor, which it obviously wasn't where the initial offence was. And then he realises it isn't a free kick, sticks it in the back of the net. Well, that is the most bizarre goal I think I've ever seen in the Barclays Premier League.
Safe for Butler. It took a deflection off of Pereira and somehow it goes in!
Got away from Gallagher to hit it with the left foot, but not. Oh my goodness, he's got the strangest of goals and he cannot believe it.
Unaware of the threat. Here comes fire. Absolutely magnificent. Green Hennessy didn't even move.
He's the only player over this. And with good reason. What an outstanding effort from Maximilian Arnold. Swerving into the top corner.
Oh, he's managed to creep in. That seemed to have precious little hope.
Dear, I don't believe it. What a goal we have just seen from Roberto Carlos. That is amazing.
Well, that was what was missing in Euro '96.
Twisting, turning. That's a penalty, is it? No, he's still going. Oh, how about that? How about that? Theo Walcott has a hat-trick. Messi's still going. Back on his feet brilliantly. Lionel Messi. Oh, what a goal!
That is absolutely brilliant. Messi at his best.
It's Ronaldo who's getting there first. It's 6 for Portugal. And Cristiano Ronaldo has his first competitive international goal. Threatening hit from Sunderland, he'll fall for bent. The stadium of light erupts. It's the man in form.
Punches though. It's off Diame and into the back of the net. Extraordinary. Low ball in looking for Chicharito.